Hello, now I've done the second lot of outline alignment stitches, and this time I've done them in the blue, which is how they're always shown in the PDFs. Now you may not have to use my outline alignment stitches because you may have the facility on your machine to do a box of basting stitches around the design, and that will hold the fabric onto the stabilizer. But one of the advantages of my outline alignment stitches is they always start here in the top right and they come towards you. Now for this I actually put my silk on the wrong way round, but as it stitches down here, if your silk is laying in that direction, the weave, these lines, you can see immediately whether it's straight or not. Now I would give this 8 out of 10. As you can see, we've got a line going across there and we can see that it's out. For the purposes of this stitch out, I'm not going to unpick it and redo it again, but in some circumstances I would, especially if designs are large. Large designs, if they're off centre, will appear even more off centre, if you see what I mean. The misalignment will be very obvious. So this is it stitched out. There we have it on the back, and there is the outline, and this is ready to stitch out now, so it can go back on the machine and we can stitch out the freebie.